Welcome to Mathematics Simplified. ICSE Mathematics Class 9, Chapter 4 Expansions. Exercise 4b. So here we will cover questions 5, 10, 14 and 16. Already we covered exercise 4a last topic and is available in the same channel. Please refer. Question 5. If a plus 2b equal to 5, then show that a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab equal to 125. So here we will see this. Here a plus b and here a cube 8b cube. This looks like is a cube of a plus 2b the whole cube, something like that. So we will try to apply the formula a plus b the whole cube. This formula will apply. So a plus b the whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is a formula of a plus b whole cube. So instead of in the place of a we have a here and in place of b we have 2b. So we will apply the same. So a plus 2b the whole cube equal to, it's a cube first. So here also a cube, b cube, b in the place of b we have 2b. So 2b cube. So 2 into 2 into 2, it's 8b cube plus 3 into a b 2b into a, it's a only, b 2b. Okay, so now a plus 2b equal to 5 already given. So we will put 5 cube equal to a cube plus 8b cube plus, we multiply 3 into 2, it's 6ab into a plus 2b. So now a cube plus 8b cube plus 6ab into a plus 2b is 5 into 5. So now 5 in 5 cube. So 5 into 5 into 5 equal to a cube plus 8b cube plus 6 into 5, it's 30 ab. So we can rearrange this now we'll put left side. So a cube plus 8b cube plus 30 ab equal to 5 into 5 into 5, it's 125. So this is the expected answer. So a cube plus 8b cube plus 30ab equal to 125. This is what we need to prove. Question 10. If a not equal to 0 and a minus 1 by a equal to 4. Now we need to find out a square plus 1 by a square and a power 4 plus 1 by a power 4 and last a cube minus 1 by a cube. So they given a minus 1 by a equal to 4. This we will take 1 by a equal to 4. So we will apply a minus b the whole square formula here. So a minus 1 by a the whole square equal to a minus b equal to a square plus b square. So in the place of b we have 1 by a. So 1 by a square minus 2ab. So 2a into 1 by a. So this will be cancelled. So a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. So now first we need to prove a square plus 1 by a square. So we have this. So this we will keep left hand side, 1 by a square equal to this. So a minus 1 by a the whole square. Here minus 2, this will go this side, so it's plus 2. A minus 1 by a they given it's 4 equal to 4 square plus 2 equal to 4 square, 4 into 4 it's 16 plus 2. So a square plus 1 by a square equal to 18. This is one answer. So this we will call it as 1. We will use in the next thing. So we will use this, we will call it as 1. So now again we will take the first equation. So it's a square plus 1 by a square 18. So next we need to find out a power 4 plus 1 by a power 4. So this again we will apply square. So a square plus 1 by a square the whole square equal to 18 square. So this again we will take a plus b the whole square formula. So it's a power 4 already a square. So a square into a square is a power 4 plus b square. So 1 by a square. So 1 by a square into a square. So 1 by a power 4 plus 2 into a square into 1 by a square. So this will be cancelled equal to 18 into 18. So now a power 4 plus 1 by a power 4 equal to this plus 2 we can take that side. So 18 into 18 minus 2. So now 18 into 18 we can calculate, it's 324. So 324 minus 2. So a power 4 plus 1 by a power 4 equal to 322. This second answer. We got two answers. So now the final one is a cube minus 1 by a cube. So first the given equation a minus 1 by a minus 1 by a equal to 4. We'll put a minus b the whole cube formula. So a minus b the whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the formula. So now instead of b we have 1 by a. This is the only change. So we will apply here a minus 1 by a the whole cube equal to a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into a into 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. So now we will apply all the values. A minus 1 by a equal to 4. So it's 4 cube minus 4 cube equal to a cube minus 1 by a cube minus this will be cancelled. A and a 1 by a will be cancelled. So minus 3 into a minus 1 by a, it's 4. So now 4 cube, it's 4 into 4 into 4 equal to a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 3 into 4, 12. So now this what we need to find out. So this we can take left side and a cube minus 1 by a cube equal to 4 into 4 into 4 is 16 into 4, it's 64, and this minus 2 will come this side, so plus 12. So a cube minus 1 by a cube equal to 64 plus 12, it's 76. So this is the last answer. The sum of two numbers is 9 and their product is 20. Find the sum of their squares and cubes. So first two numbers, okay, so let the numbers are A and B. So sum of two numbers, okay, so A plus B equal to 9. So this is not given. So next product of these numbers, so A, B equal to 20. This is what given. So now we need to find out their sum of their squares. So we can take this formula A plus B the whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A square plus B square, this is what you need to find out. So we can take this 2 one side, A square plus B square equal to, now A plus B the whole square, this will come this side, so minus 2AB. Now we can apply the values we have. So A plus B, sum of their numbers is 9, so 9 square minus 2AB, so product is 20, so 2 into 20. So now 9 into 9, it's 81 minus 40 equal to 41. So sum of their numbers, sum of their square, sum of the squares of their numbers is 41. This is one answer. The cubes. So we can take this formula A plus B the whole cube equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. So A plus B they given it's 9. So 9 cube equal to A cube plus B cube. This is what we need to find out, plus 3 into AB, product is 20 and sum is 9. So now A cube plus B cube we can keep one side and others we can take the other side. And so 9 into 9 into 9, 9 cube minus 3 into 20, it's 60 into 9. So 9 into 9 we know is 81. So 81 into 9, it's 729. Okay. So next 60 into 9, it's 540. So now 729 minus 540 equal to 189. So now A cube plus B cube equal to 729 minus 540 equal to 189. So this is the second answer. So sum of their cubes is 189. This is the second answer. Next question. If 4x square plus y square equal to A and xy equal to B, find the value of 2x plus y. So we can take 2x plus y the whole square. because here they given 4x square plus y square. So we can apply a plus b the whole square formula. It's a square 4x square plus b square y square plus 2 into 2ab 2x plus into y. So 4x square plus y square plus 4xy. So now we can apply the values. 2x plus y the whole square equal to 4x square plus y square. So here, so the value is a. So a plus 4 into xy equal to b. So 4b. So 2x plus y the whole square equal to a plus 4b. So we need to find out 2x plus y. So we can take a square root here. So it's 2x plus y equal to square root of a plus 4b. So we are taking square root. So this can be plus or minus. So we need to put the sign plus or minus. So the answer 2x plus y equal to plus or minus square root of a plus 4b. This is the answer. We have covered 4 questions 5, 10, 14 and 16 from exercise 4b. So next topic we will cover exercise 4c. Please stay connected. Thank you.